Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this short tutorial I'll show you how to style scroll bars using only CSS. We'll cover basic CSS techniques to make your scroll bars look modern and attractive. Let's get started. Okay, open our code, and before started recording this video I create some simple markup and create simple basic styles. Let's look at the window. Like you see, we have simple header with title and window with our elements. Okay, now let's open our styles and we'll create our styles here. And to start, we need to understand how pseudo classes like WebKit Scrollbar, WebKit Scrollbar Thumb, and WebKit Scrollbar Track work. This allows us to control the appearance of the scroll bar. Let's begin with some basic styles. We'll change the scroll width and add some colors to its parts. First, we'll be using pseudo class WebKit Scrollbar and set the width of the scroll. At width we can add 12 pixels, I think it'll be enough, and let's look at the window. Like you see, our scroll is disappeared. And let's go to the next pseudo classes. It names WebKit Scrollbar Thumb, and inside this pseudo class will stylish the scroll bar thumb. Let's create new background color and create radius. We can use a property border radius with value 6 pixels. Okay, let's look at the window. Like you see, color our scroll was changed, and also we can create styles for our track. Let's create color for our track. We can use another pseudo class. It names WebKit Scrollbar Track and set new color. Okay, and let's look at the window. Like you see, it works and our scroll got new styles. Now let's add some magic with gradients and shadows. We can delete our background color and create new property background, and using gradient we need liner gradient and delete 180 deck and our two colors. Okay, our gradient is ready, and let's look at the window. Like you see now, it looks more attractive, and also let's create shadow. We can use a property box shadow with inset and 006. Also we'll be using RGB because I used to using opacity, but now we need 0.3. Okay, let's look at the window. Like you see, now it looks more attractive, and in the end we can also add hover effect. Copy this class and create hover. Okay, and when people will be hover over our element, will be change color using property background and set new color. Okay, let's look at the window. Like you see, it also works, but also let's add cursor pointer. Okay, I think it's enough, but very important to remember that not all browsers support these styles. For cross-browser support you can use JavaScript liberties like simple bar. If I won't forget, I'll add link to that liberty in the description. Okay, thanks for watching this quickly tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.